Hello everyone. Let's start the new problem. Let's start with understanding the problem first. Bit plus plus. A classic programming language, Bitland is B plus plus. This language is so peculiar and complicated. The language is that peculiar as it has exactly one variable called x. Okay. Also, there are two operations. Operation plus plus increases the value of the variable by one. Operation minus minus decreases the value of the variable x by one. A statement in the language bit plus plus is a sequence, okay, consisting of exactly one operation and one variable. Okay. The statement is written without spaces. That is, it can only contains the character plus, minus, and x. Executing the statement means applying the operation it contains. A program in bit plus plus is a sequence of statements. Okay. Each of them needs to be executed. Executing a program means executing all the statement it contains. You are given a program in language bit plus plus. The value of x is zero. Initial value of x is zero. Execute the program and find its final value. The value of the variable when program is executed. Okay, the final value. Okay. So basically, the value of x initially will be zero, and if it has one of the operation like plus plus or minus minus, with x, then we need to perform the respective option. If plus plus is there with x, then we need to perform like increase the value of x by 1. Minus minus, then we need to decrease the value by 1. Okay, let's read the input. The first line contains the integer n, 1 to 150 number of statements in the program. Okay. Next 10 line contains the statement each. Okay. Each statement exactly contains exactly one operation, plus plus or minus minus, and exactly one variable, noted, denoted as with letter X. Thus, there are no empty statements. Thus, the operation and the variable can be written in any order. Okay, the problem is quite uh, straightforward as given. Let's start by writing the solution. Let's try to understand the problem first. Okay, like intuition first. So there are like quite four type of statements basically can be there. This plus plus x, x plus plus, minus minus x, or x plus plus. Right. Only this four type of uh, statements are possible. Like sorry, x minus minus. So like as they have already given, there can be no spaces into the statement. Only these three letters can be there, like minus, plus, and x, and there can be only exactly one operation once at a time. So there can be only plus plus with x or minus minus with the x before or after. So there are only like four kind of statements we can think of into the solution. Okay, this makes this solution quite easy, like for this problem. Let's start by taking the like how many statements are there into the program. Okay, so we will take this input as n. Now we will like uh, let's say x, the value, the initial value of x is zero, right? So now we will start taking the input. Uh, let's take the input of the statement into the string. Yes. Okay. Now like take the we need to take n operations. Same as take the input of string. If like let's say if the x comes up with the first program, let's say plus plus program, plus plus operation, then we need to increase the value of x with 1, right? So there can be only two possible statements of plus plus, right? So if s is equals to let's say x plus plus, or s is s is equal to s is equal to x my let's say plus plus x. Okay, let's it's a capital X. Okay, so we need to increase the value of x with 1, right? Other than that, a statement can't be empty. So there will be, if these things are not there, these two things, it will be like, we need to decrease the value because the statement can't be empty. Either it's this plus plus or the minus ones. Okay, so it will be like minus. In the end, we just need to print the value of x, whatever it is. Yeah, let's test this solution. Okay, it passes. Now let's try to submit this solution. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, running on test case 19. Yeah, the solution is accepted. Thank you guys.